So I'm Regina, and I want to thank you, everyone, that you are here in front of watching our webinar, because this is a moment that can change your life. And I want to really thank you, because you take the decision to be here to learn, because you want change. You want change in your life. So my name is Regina. I'm originally from Philippines. I'm proud Pinay. I am a mom. I'm a wife. I'm a former mental health care worker. I'm a former housekeeper. I'm a former caregiver. Um, I'm so happy to share to you that regardless of your background, regardless of your ability to speak English, because when I started this business, I was at similar situation. I wasn't very good at English, and I also always doubtful, or I felt insecure myself. Why? Because of my growth. I grew up in my mind. I grew up in a poor country. In my mind, we always have nothing. We live in scarcity. We are 10 brothers and sisters. I saw my mom and dad, how they sacrificed their own health and how their own time to keep us alive. And during that time when I was growing up, I remember when my dad was about to eat the food, and yet no, he divided that food and distributed it to us. And so that is what I see my dad. And with my mom, we cannot afford things. My mom saw my dress out of a pig's food in a sack. And that is my new dresses for me. We cannot afford to buy a new dress. The person that buys the new dress is my sister, the eldest, because she can have the new dress and then we can pass it on. I can have it. She can have a new shoes, then I can have her new shoes. That is how where I come from. So I want to inspire you with that. Do not let scarcity decide your future. Why? Because of this business partnership, I am now a totally different person. When I was working, I was very shy. Knowing I cannot speak English, I become silent. I learned to follow people. I learned how to wait for them to tell me what to do. I lost who I am. I lost my voice. And there's also many things. I also lost promotions because I believe that I am not good in English, and I believe that I don't have what other people have to offer. But guys, this business, this global business community has changed me. It changed me professionally, it changed me personally, because now I am a proud digital business owner. I am a proud mentor. I'm helping a lot of people's lives change.